Brunette, shoulder length, page boy, no fall.
Page boy, no fall?
It was her own hair. She wasn't wearing a wig. She was about my height and weight. I'm also a 10. I'd say she was 25, maybe 26.
How was she dressed?
Pale blue blouse with gold piping, navy blue mini skirt. That's what she wore. When she wore that, she was wearing a brand new $240 outfit.
At 11:15 a.m., we arrived at Platt's jewelry store. Sidney Platt, like Angela Tigley, had accepted a bad check. He had been cheated out of a lady's diamond wristwatch, 2 gold bracelets, and a pair of diamond earrings. Total $538 plus tax. His description of the woman tallied with the one given us by Angela Tigley. 11:31. One who would fit the description we had been given by the 2 victimized store managers.
Yes, I know somebody who fits that description, but it's impossible.
Size 10 brunette, shoulder length hair, 25, 26 years old.
25. My roommate married. Her hair's longer now. Mary wouldn't do something.
Why? Because she plays the gong? We'll have to take this photograph along with us, Miss Phillips. We'll be returned after we finish our investigation. Do you have any samples of her handwriting?
Yes, the book by the phone. That's her address. What do I tell Mary if she knows?
What time do you expect her today?
As soon as.
I think we'll be back by 4, and we'd appreciate it if you didn't say anything to her about this until we've completed our investigation.
Oh, don't worry about that. I don't want to make things any worse than they are. I just know Mary isn't guilty. She's just too nice.
She's that nice. She isn't guilty.
Yes.
And if she's guilty, not that nice. 11:55 a.m. We showed Mary Hargrave's photograph to Angela Tigley. We asked her if she recognized her as the forger. Miss Tigley said there was a resemblance, but she couldn't be certain without seeing the girl in person. 12:15 p.m. We showed the photograph to the victimized jeweler, Sidney Platt. He was also in doubt. He said that the woman in the 2-year-old photograph might have been the same person who passed the check in his store, but he couldn't be positive. Roy Kaiser compared the handwriting in the book to the signatures on the forged payroll checks.
Well, how's it look to you, Roy? You got no man king.
You're sure?
That's what they pay me to be sure. No chance, Joe. Whoever filled out this address book didn't sign these checks, son.
Thanks, Roy.
Anytime. One thing I can tell you.
What's that?
The girl who signed these checks?
Yeah.
She's a telephone.
You sure of that?
I just don't listen. Yes, Bill, I'm sure. The girl who filled out the address book is right-handed. The one who signed the check is a lefty.
Well, that's a help. Oh, we never doubted that for a second.
Go ahead.
In fact, our case is wide open. We got 1,000 suspects to round up.
Money's on you, Hawkshaw. You will accomplish that by tea time.
Right. Yes, that's right. What's your name? I see. Where? Well, when? Okay, all we know. Yeah. Okay, I'll be there. What's that? Somebody wants to tell us who's been making those stolen payroll checks. Who's someone? 5'10", brown hair, blue eyes, brown beard. No name.
Oh, and
Where's the meet? Edendale Cemetery, the mausoleum. p.m. We returned Mary Hargrave's photograph and address book to Sarah Phillips. Then we drove to the Edendale Cemetery in West Hollywood to meet the anonymous informant.
see the man.
Where's the man?
Give me his time.
You tried? That's right, so it's Bill Gannon. What's your name?
Thompson. Thompson of Valhalla. I come to the commune with the dead. We're all dead, Joe.
You said on the phone you know who's been passing stolen payroll checks.
Just coffee in town. Leave myself.
Yeah. I don't need basic checks. I wish I didn't. Why is that? Well, she's not in it by herself. I mean, she'd never do it by herself. Those flakeouts she'd been running. I mean, they put her in swiping the payroll checks. IDs in the studio. She used to work out there. I used to work out there myself. The hack. What's that? I was a hack. You know, I wrote bad movie scripts, bad TV scripts. And it strictly from the loot and didn't make much of it. But I'm out of that scene now. Much worse. Not cement.
What do you do now for a living?
I live. Period. And that is part of the universe. My community is dead.
What do you do for money?
No, I'm still on unemployment. Now and then I collect a residual on an old TV script.
You writing now?
I told you, Ken. I'm spending most of my time thinking. You know, most people don't realize that is the easiest part. It's the thinking that takes time. It's that period of creative gestation that separates